Welcome to Ghana's localized e-news platform.
This is our bloggers and writers money earning guide. You can earn and redeem money for blogging and posting articles on our platform.
You can earn points when you register, and anytime you log into the platform. Anytime log into the platform, you are rewarded points which you can redeem.
You earn points when you post or publish your articles on the platform. The points are automatically rewarded to you when you blog or post your news articles on the platform. You also earn points anytime someone read your post. The more your articles or post has been read, the more points you earn, which you can redeem in the form of airtime, dated bundle, cash, or products. You also earn points by reading other people's posts. You can also earn more points when you read posts from other bloggers or writers on the platforms. This enables you to earn more points and redeem them faster. You can even earn more points by watching our YouTube videos. By watching our YouTube videos, you can earn more points, which can increase your points. The videos carry more points than any of the activities on the platform.
You can also earn more by referring people. When you share a referral people to our platform, you earn points, which is actually points. Every activity you do on the platform earn you income. The more you use the platform, the more you earn points, and the more points you earn, the more money you get.
This table shows the amount of points you can earn based on the activities you do on the platform. You earn 5 points when you register, and anytime you log in, you earn 5 points per logging. If you post or publish an article, you earn 100 points. When you read posts and articles on the platform, you earn 10 points. And each time someone read your article, you earn 20 points. You also earn 10 points for referring others to join the platform. You can as well share posts or adding 10 points. The exchange rate per each point is now 0.0001 Ghana cedis. You can contact the administrator on 0500515411 or email him via care@gh-let.com.
To register, visit www.news.gh-let.com/register.